In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your photos into enchanting Studio Ghibli style artwork using the latest updates from the ChatGPT AI. Whether you're a fan of the whimsical worlds of Studio Ghibli or just curious about transforming your photos with AI technology, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and explore how you can bring that magical touch to your personal images. First things first, let's head on over to ChatGPT. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and open your preferred browser. Once there, you'll need to find the option to create an image. It should be easy to spot, but if you don't see it right away, just take a little time to familiarize yourself with the layout. The platform's interface is usually intuitive, so with a bit of exploration, you should find it without much hassle. Next, you'll want to upload your photo. Look for the Add Photos and Files option. It might feel like a small step, but it's crucial since this is where your creative journey really begins. Select the photo you want to transform into that ethereal Ghibli style. If your photo needs a quick edit for clarity or composition, it's worth doing that ahead of time. Now, here comes the fun part, typing in a prompt. This step is where you can let your imagination run wild. Describe vividly how you envision your photo in the Studio Ghibli style. Be as detailed as you like, mentioning specific elements like colors, mood, or scenes reminiscent of a particular Ghibli movie. The more descriptive you are, the better the AI can capture your vision. If it's your first time, you might want to experiment a bit to see which prompts yield the best results. Once you're happy with your prompt, simply hit enter or use the arrow keys if the feature allows to submit your instruction, and then let the magic happen. The AI will process your input, transforming your photo into a stunning piece of art that echoes the enchanting allure of Studio Ghibli films. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a bit of creative input, you've created a beautiful Studio Ghibli style image from your own photograph. You can now share it with friends, use it as a unique profile picture, or simply enjoy the personalized artwork. If you feel inspired, don't hesitate to try other photos and prompts to explore the full potential of what this AI can create. Enjoy your new artistic endeavor, and thank you for joining me in this creative journey.